Hello children, in the previous part we have seen in the chapter that how Dorothy and her doggy are lost in a strange world by a storm. On that place she met some people and a good witch. Let's see what happens next. So, the last person whom Dorothy met was a Tin Woodman and he wanted brains from the Wizard of Oz. They walked on together. Suddenly, they heard a loud roar. It was a lion. So, when Dorothy, Tin Woodman, and Scarecrow and Toto were walking, then they heard a roar of a lion. Dorothy shouted at him for frightening them. So, when Dorothy was walking, she was just frightened by the roaring of the lion. So, she shouted at him for frightening her. The lion began to cry. Suddenly, the lion began to cry. Then he told them that everyone laughed at him because he did not behave like a lion. When he heard of the Wizard of Oz, he too joined them. Naturally, when we hear about lion, we only know one strange thing, that he is very fierce and people fear of him very much. So here, but in the story, we see the lion is very weak because when Dorothy shouted at him, he began to cry, and people also laugh at him because he did not behave like a lion. He wanted to be brave. So lion, what did one lion wanted from the Wizard of Oz? That he wanted to be brave. They went on for a long time till night fell. So many people joined Dorothy for some reason. At last, they arrived at the castle of the Wizard of Oz. Dorothy and the people along with her were walking for a long distance till night fell. So, at night, they reached the castle of the Wizard of Oz. Each one asked for a wish to come true. Each one of the people asked for a wish from the Wizard of Oz, to come true. Dorothy wanted to find her way home with Toto. Here, what did Dorothy want? Dorothy wanted to return home with Toto. The Scarecrow wanted a heart and the Tin Woodman wanted brains. The Scarecrow wanted a heart and Tin Woodman wanted brains. The lion wanted to be brave. So here the lion wanted to be brave. The wizard granted them all their wishes. So as we all know, the wizard is a magical person or a person with magical powers, granted all the people with their wishes. They happily left the castle. After finishing all the things and getting the things they wanted, they all happily left the castle. Dorothy and Toto found themselves back at home. And at last, Dorothy and Toto were at their home. So, this is a story written by L. Frank Baum. And the story ends here. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.